I think for the couple of weeks of training you had, this is an excellent amount of work. And those sketches are awesome.
You're approaching the tool really well by creating these environments. It's not just a 2D board with some pictures. You're actually building the environment out. And that's really where I see Gravity Sketch in the future going. It's really powerful in that way.
A use of smart technologies would really propel your ideas and your concept in general. Think about how augmented reality and artificial intelligence will shape our vehicles in the next decade.
I'd encourage you just to keep working in Gravity Sketch to help yourself find those solutions. The Gravity Sketch model looks a lot better than the sketches you have in terms of like the pencil sketches, in my opinion, because this has a unique proportion to it.
Great, looking forward to what you can do next week.